Go on, hope all is well. So today is Saturday, May the 2nd, and today's video is going to be on DESHA Ravers, or is it DESHA? I'm always pronouncing her name incorrectly. Alright, but for those who don't know, it's Beenie Man's daughter, or she's the only female dancer in Ravers Clavers, which is Ding Dong dance group. She was in a car accident. She did a video, but she also wrote a statement underneath the video. So I'm going to read the statement and then play the video that she did in as well. So this is what she wrote underneath the video. God not done with me yet, so it's definitely not my time. Thank God I'm alive and well, and even more grateful that everyone in the car with me is okay and home safe. Also grateful that my daughter was not with me. I'm just very grateful for life and that I can post this because it could have been way worse. Is it? To my family, friends, and my IG family, I really appreciate all the text, message, and calls. I don't know that I have mad love out there, especially from people I wasn't expecting it from. Thank you so much. Hashtag God walk with me. P.S. I'm still shocked, so my words not coming out right. Yeah, especially when she said the part. But I can't understand when you shook up in a meet now look an accident like that, and you know, I'm glad she's doing well and feel better soon. Desha, now watching the face.
Alright everybody, so I'm pretty sure that you guys see a picture circulating that I meant in an accident. First I want to say thank God. That's just thank God, because if it wasn't for him, then I don't know. To everybody that's asking if I'm okay, I am okay. I just want to thank everybody for reaching out to me. My dad, Pops, my team, Ramesh, everybody in Ramesh Entertainment, Ravers, Ding, trust me, and my father. I just want everybody to know that I am okay, and thanks for making sure that I'm okay, checking up on me, and just